Have you ever wondered how the super rich keep getting richer? In today's video, we'll reveal their money secrets and show you practical tips that you can use to grow your own wealth. These strategies are simple and easy to follow, and they can help you take control of your financial future. From smart investments to frugal living, we'll cover everything you need to know to start building your wealth today. So, let's get started and dive into these wealth-building secrets. Number 1, invest wisely. Investing is a crucial part of wealth building. The super rich diversify their investments across various asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and private equity. Diversification helps spread risk and increase potential returns. Start by educating yourself about different investment options and consider working with a financial advisor to create a diversified portfolio that matches your risk tolerance and financial goals. Stocks offer significant growth potential, especially when dividends are reinvested, while bonds provide stability and regular interest payments. Real estate investments can provide rental income and capital appreciation, making them a popular choice for long-term wealth building. Number 2, leverage tax-advantaged accounts. Tax-advantaged accounts like IRAs, 401(k)s, and health savings accounts, HSAs, can significantly boost your savings. Contributions to these accounts are often tax-deductible, and the growth is tax-deferred or tax-free. The super rich maximize these benefits by fully funding these accounts each year and taking advantage of compound interest. Make it a habit to contribute regularly to these accounts to grow your wealth over time. These accounts not only offer tax benefits, but also help in building a substantial nest egg for retirement or medical expenses. Number 3, focus on continuous learning. The super rich are always learning. They stay informed about financial markets, investment strategies, and economic trends. This continuous learning helps them make informed decisions. You can do the same by reading financial books, attending seminars, and following reputable financial news sources. Consider taking courses or earning certifications in finance or business to deepen your knowledge. Lifelong learning ensures you stay ahead of the curve and can adapt to changing market conditions, making more informed and strategic financial decisions. Number 4, embrace entrepreneurship. Many super rich individuals have built their wealth through entrepreneurship. Starting and growing a business can provide substantial income and investment opportunities. While it involves risk, it also offers significant rewards. If you have a business idea, develop a solid business plan, seek mentorship, and be prepared to work hard and adapt to challenges. Entrepreneurship allows you to leverage your skills, creativity, and passion to create value in the marketplace. Successful businesses can generate significant income and create wealth through ownership equity. Number 5, practice frugality and smart spending. Despite their wealth, many super rich people practice frugality. They live below their means and avoid unnecessary expenses. By being mindful of your spending and focusing on value rather than status, you can save and invest more of your income. Track your expenses, identify areas where you can cut costs, and redirect those savings into investments or debt repayment. Frugality doesn't mean depriving yourself. It means making intentional choices that align with your financial goals. Smart spending helps in accumulating more savings, which can be invested to generate wealth. Number 6, invest in real estate. Real estate is a popular investment among the super rich due to its potential for passive income and long-term appreciation. Owning rental properties, commercial real estate, or investing in real estate investment trusts, REITs, can diversify your portfolio and provide steady cash flow. Start small with a single rental property or a share in a REIT, and expand your real estate holdings as your knowledge and confidence grow. Real estate investments offer multiple income streams, such as rental income and property appreciation, making them an effective wealth-building tool. Number 7, utilize leverage. Strategically, leverage involves using borrowed money to increase potential returns. This could mean taking out a mortgage to buy real estate or using margin to invest in stocks. While leverage can amplify returns, it also increases risk. Use it wisely by understanding the risks involved and having a plan to manage debt effectively. Leverage should be used strategically to enhance investment returns while maintaining a balanced risk profile. Properly managed leverage can significantly boost your investment growth and wealth accumulation. Number 8, build multiple income streams. Relying on a single source of income can be risky. The super rich often have multiple income streams, such as dividends, rental income, business profits, and royalties. Diversifying your income sources can provide financial stability and accelerate wealth building. Consider ways to generate additional income, such as starting a side business, investing in dividend-paying stocks, or creating passive income through digital products or intellectual property. Multiple income streams ensure a steady cash flow, reducing financial dependency on any single source. Number 9, plan for the long term. Wealth building is a marathon, not a sprint. The super rich think long term and make financial decisions with the future in mind. They prioritize investments that may take years to mature, but offer substantial returns. Adopt a long-term perspective by setting clear financial goals, creating a roadmap to achieve them, and staying committed to your plan even during market fluctuations. Patience and discipline are key to long-term financial success. Long-term planning helps in achieving significant financial milestones and ensuring sustainable wealth growth. Number 10, network and build relationships. Networking is a powerful tool for the super rich. Building relationships with other successful individuals can open doors to new opportunities, partnerships, and insights. Attend industry events, join professional organizations, and actively seek out mentors who can provide guidance and support. Cultivating a strong network can enhance your personal and professional growth and lead to valuable opportunities for wealth building. Strong relationships and networks provide access to new ideas, resources, and opportunities that can accelerate your wealth building journey. Number 11, protect your wealth. Protecting wealth is as important as building it. The super rich use various strategies to safeguard their assets, such as diversification, insurance, and estate planning. Ensure you have adequate insurance coverage for your health, home, and other valuable assets. Additionally, consider working with an estate planner to create a will or trust that ensures your wealth is distributed according to your wishes and minimizes tax liabilities. Wealth protection strategies ensure that your hard-earned assets are preserved and transferred smoothly to future generations. Number 12, give back. Philanthropy is a common practice among the super rich. Giving back to the community not only has a positive social impact, but can also provide tax benefits. Consider incorporating charitable giving into your financial plan. Whether it's through direct donations, setting up a charitable foundation, or volunteering your time, giving back can enrich your life and contribute to the well-being of others. Philanthropy fosters a sense of fulfillment and purpose, making wealth building a holistic and rewarding endeavor. By following these tips and adopting the mindset and strategies of the super rich, you can take significant steps towards multiplying your wealth. Remember, building wealth requires patience, discipline, and a commitment to continuous learning and improvement. Start implementing these practices today and watch your financial future transform. Wealth building is a journey that requires dedication, informed decision-making, and a strategic approach to managing and growing your assets. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found these tips helpful, like and subscribe for more wealth building tips.